If your car doesn't have this kind of screen, you don't need to buy the new car. I got the perfect solution for you. That's the Ottocast auto screen. And this gadget gives you everything what you need today in modern car. So let's start from unboxing. Alright guys, let's start from unboxing. That's the box, which is quite big, I will say. Okay, CarPlay, Android Auto, high resolution display, stable, faster. Okay, from this side nothing, and some information at the back. Alright, and let's open it. First we need to slide it. Now the box, that's a huge surprise. Usually all the boxes with the gadgets from Ottocast are in black box. Here we got a white box, like shoes box, in my opinion anyway. Very solid. Yes. Okay, so what we've got. First of all, we've got the item itself. So that's the screen, which is quite heavy in my opinion anyway. You've got the foil, that's the protection. Okay, so from this side, so that's your stand, like however you wanna call it. Okay, there's nothing here. I'm more than sure on the higher version or the other model. In this place you will find the camera, the front camera. Here is the start, stop or off on button. A few socket here, so that's your aux, that's your memory card and USB port C. Okay, for the 12-volt socket and USB port C, and also that's our aux if you need. Okay, so that's your user manual, which is not necessary in my opinion anyway. Okay, but if you need to use it, just feel free to do it. Okay, let me plug in the device and let's see what's gonna be happen. Nice and fast, I will say. Alright guys, so we are inside the menu, and let's be honest, you've got everything what you need. You've got your music player, you've got your CarPlay, Android Auto, YouTube, Netflix, few other ones. Also you've got something like a bar on the side, which gives you also few opportunities. And at the top, as you notice, we've got my favorite dock. So that means if you touch this, you will get short menu to the settings, so to the volume of the car, to the split screen, to home, to go back from the page where you are, for the brightness, and this one is all the application which you has opened before. Okay, all right, so let's go back home again. Okay, let's go to the settings and let's connect this device with internet first. Wi-Fi, okay. And as you can see, I'm connected right now with my phone. As you can see, the menu is very simple, very easy, and nice and clear. You've got the TikTok, Netflix, YouTube Music, VLC, settings, clear, audio settings, help center. On the lower part, you've got your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, YouTube, Netflix again. Here you've got two pages. This one is for if you've got your reversing camera, you can plug to this device and you will see picture from your camera. Okay, so we are at home. We can do something like a split screen. Okay, so at the moment, as you can see, this device try to connect with my phone, and I will have, I've got already my Apple CarPlay on this side, and on this side I've got the other apps from this device, which is quite clever and quite nice. So we can use, for example, SatNav from your Apple phone or Google Map, whatever you like. Okay, so you can use the SatNav on this side, and on this side you can use, for example, YouTube, and your passenger can watch the movie or whatever they like, and you can use that SatNav. Okay, with this device, so you can get the audio from this device of 3 different ways. So the first way, will be the sound from the speakers, but the speakers are not very good usually in this kind of devices. So what you have to do, you can plug by the aux to your car, but unfortunately I cannot do it. But the second way is audio settings, and here you will find what you can do. You can find the 88, for example, the 98 megahertz at your radio in your car, and you will hear the voice, music, or any comments from this device on your audio system of your car. Or by the Bluetooth local speaker, I'm talking about this device, or aux. You can use, more important, the Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Yeah, so as you can see, that device is quite nice and simple, and let's be honest, if your car doesn't have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto in the system of your car, you don't have the modern touchscreen, you can buy this kind of device and install on the dash of your car, and you'll get everything what all modern car has today. As usual, the discount code waiting for you on the description of this video. As usual, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, take care of yourself and your followers, and see you next time.